Okay, I'm back. This is going to be a very short video. I have the red and yellow leads going to the coil of this American Flyer field, okay? I've got a 9-volt battery onto the bulb, and if the reed switch gets triggered like this, you see that? Yep, you see it. I know you see it. Light comes on. So if there's a magnetic pulse in there, the light will come on, and all I'm giving it current is from the motor. However, I'm not going to leave this on very long because I just fried one of Dan's motor control boards. So, all right. There it is. There it is. I don't know. There must be some delay in here to keep it going in this little package. This is one of Evan's LEDs, and it can run off AC, DC, positive or negative. It's real amazing. But he's got stuff in there we probably are not going to use. But the point is, when the motor was running, regardless of direction, that light came on. That's the key. So, some kind of a electromagnetic device that's engineered, not me cobbling crap together from A.C. Gilbert and me and other things laying around. But that's it. That's the proof. Now, I built an electromagnet in the 6th or 7th grade, and it worked like a charm. I was picking up nails with my Michigan crane. But, oh yeah, I remember. I had a big square, huge square 9-volt, I mean the size of half a shoebox. Oh boy. So the cam has been tuned a little bit. I think maybe enough. Oh, and while I was running this, without that, let me see if I can show you. Maybe you want to see that, huh? Let's see if I can do that too. Okay, hold on a second. I got a jumper right here. If I go red to red, I can probably do black to black with my left hand. I think that'll work. I'll just use this power here off of this guy. So that's red to red. Okay. Now if I put black to black, that should fire the relay, and we should go from smooth to jerky. Yeah. Don't worry, that's nothing. Okay. Well, it's not going anywhere now, is it? That's funny. Oh, crumb, look at this. My power wire broke off. Or did it? It didn't break off. It broke off just now. I'll have to restart. I'll restart. I'll get back. Well, that worked. I did a little pause. Now we're in smooth. The power... I don't know what I just did. It doesn't look right, though, does it? Yeah, I guess it is. Oh, yeah, that's right, that's right. Okay, so now let's see if it gets jerky. Yeah, it gets jerky. See that? That's the brake. Now, I still have the wrong resistor on my test board, so I have to get that figured out yet. And that should give us... There you can see more of the brake. Okay, that's how it works. Yeah, this board's staying a lot cooler. Boy, I have this light, and I saw a plume of smoke come rising up, and I go, yeah! I ran for the transformer. Oh, shut it off! But too late. Okay. There it is. So, Puff and Chuff cam is working, and we have the reed switch to turn on the reed switch will turn on the relay. That is, the relay reed switch is the relay. That's what I'm trying to say. So, if I'd had the relay wired in, that would have triggered, and that would have worked. Is that right? Yeah, I think that's right. So what I have to do is wire the relay into my power supply here, and then interrupt the ground through the sensor, and that means this buck boost board will be powering the relay, and I can set it to, it's probably set around 5-6 volts. Oh, but that's fan speed, so I may not want to do that. I may have to use smoke buck boost. Anyway, I'll figure it out. Don't worry about it. I'm waiting on these parts. They're supposed to be all of this in a tiny chip, which would be lovely. So, hi, there we are. Oh, and I did some measurements. I did it on here. I did some measurements on the engine narrowness issue, which it is. So I'm going to have to cut this board out down to that level, but it's still wide, you know what I mean? Wide enough. And I can also lengthen it out to here. So I'm still going to have a substantial diving board, platform, whatnot, for whatever boards I can put on there. I got to get those Chuff soundboards. This looks too inviting, right? This is a Pacific, and oh god, yards, got yards there. So okay, fine. I can put the speaker down here, and the boards can dive off that, and it'll be fine. But you can't do that in the Atlantic, and that's gonna be the challenge. Packaging all this in the Atlantic. Oh gosh, what a dig! Oh my, I've tried all these options, and it's just my A-team kludge get the parts thing is, I've lost it. Old age, I guess. All right, tomorrow's another day. We'll see what we can get done with this. And I am hoping desperately to have this engine running reasonably well, because Saturday is our anniversary, and I have this anniversary engine I would like to put together. I think that would be a pretty fun day. I don't know. The part's supposed to be here Tuesday or Wednesday. That's just so late. Oh damn. But you know, we know everything works. We got the puff, we got this, we got that. I gotta change that resistor, and we know we can get smoke. So we gotta maybe check the necktie out, make sure that hasn't come loose, or maybe just put all new smoke in, because I did get some sealant on the angel hair, and I'm sure that doesn't really allow it to be its best. Gasket sealer on angel hair making smoke just doesn't sound right. Okay, that's it. I'm out of here. 5:30, always 5:30, isn't it? The berries. Okay, later.